Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile location on UpWork. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into UpWork account. From there you have to click on this profile icon which is in the top right corner. Click on and go to your profile. Now just simply click over here. Now you are in your profile settings. Now if you look in the right side, you will get to see this profile settings. Just simply click over here. Now if you see over here in the user setting, there is an option called contact info. Just click over here, scroll down a little bit, and you will get to see this time zone option. Just click over here. Now from here you have to choose your country, and also you have to change your address and enter that with the postal code, city, and state or province address if you want to add, and add your ad number. After filling all of these details, just click on the update. Now so this is how you can change your profile location on Upwork.